Yes. So we are discussing about the work functions during the cyclic process. Okay. ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இங்கே what I have done, நான் வந்து ஒரு பீக்கர் எடுத்திருக்கேன். இந்த பீக்கர் வந்து இதோட இனிஷியல் கண்டிஷன் the pressure was P1 and அதோட வால்யூம் வந்து V1. pressure P1 ல இருக்கு, வால்யூம் V1 ல இருக்கு. ஸோ நான் வந்து ஹீட் பண்றேன். ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது இதோட வால்யூம் வந்து எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அந்த பீக்கரோட வால்யூம் வந்து எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணும்போது it was varying to volume V2. It was expanding to volume V2. When it is expanding to volume V2, pressure in nitric it was decreasing. Pressure decrease nitric. So from the relation, P is proportional to 1 by V. So that is PV is equal to constant. Ideal gas equation. PV is equal to constant. From this relation, pressure increases, volume decreases. Volume increases, pressure decreases. Both are inversely proportional. Okay. So now after this, நான் என்ன பண்றேன், இதை cool பண்றேன். Cool பண்ணும்போது again this volume drops down to V1. V2 வந்து again drop down to V1. Okay, என்ன ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, இது வந்து reverse ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு the process. What is the process we are discussing here? We call it as cyclic process. We call it as cyclic process. So நான் வந்து கிராஃப்ல இண்டிகேட் பண்ணும்போது, so இது initial condition, so which is having pressure P1 and volume V1. So x axis நான் வந்து வால்யூம்ல கன்சிடர் பண்றேன், y axis வந்து நான் pressure கன்சிடர் பண்றேன். Because of the heating, that means I'm doing some work. அந்த ஒர்க்னால என்ன ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, இதோட pressure வால்யூம் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆயிட்டு. So change it to P2 and V2. Now, so இப்போ again I am doing some work, that is I am cooling it out. Okay, cool பண்ணும்போது again it was varying from P2 V2 to P1 V1. So that means இதுல வந்து initial condition to final condition இருக்கு and final to initial point இருக்கு. So again it is like a cyclic process, continuous process. Okay, so in the continuous process they will be having some sign conversions. இந்த sign conversions நம்ம problemsல ரொம்ப important. Okay, so the sign conversions எப்படி work ஆகும்னா, when we are discussing about initial point to final point, remember initial point and the final point க்கு நான் discuss பண்ணும்போது the work function is positive. Initial point and the final point க்கு நான் discuss பண்ணும்போது, so when it is moving, or else you can remember when it is moving clockwise. Okay, the direction is clockwise. When it is moving clockwise, the work is positive. When you're moving clockwise, the work is positive. When you're moving anti-clockwise, the work is negative. Okay, when you are moving anti-clockwise, the work is negative. Okay, so just take the sign conversions one by one. First point வந்து, when the object was moving from initial to final clockwise direction, the work is positive. Okay, the work is positive. யாருமா பேசுறீங்க? கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணி பேசுங்க please. Okay, so இங்கே final to initial point வரும்போது
நிமிஷம் 9 பேர் மேல போயிட்டாங்க.
Oh, one second. Okay, see, first the sign conversion point, first point. Okay, so work done under cyclic process, moving from initial to final point, the work is positive. Initial to final point, the work is positive under clockwise. Okay, for second point, it is your anti-clockwise. Under anti-clockwise, okay, when it is reversing, the work is negative work. When you are reversing, the work is negative work. Okay, this is your negative work. Now, same thing, when we are discussing about this process, okay, so there are some problems are there on this process. So we call it a cyclic process, or we call it as reversible process also. Cyclic process and so reversible process and so. Okay, number direct on the we'll do some problems on this. And remember, when we are discussing about the work function, on the network, the total work. Network is nothing but your total work done. So W is equal to, இங்க வந்து two types of process இருக்கு. One initial to final இருக்கு, இன்னொன்னு final to initial இருக்கு. So W1 plus W2 is your network acting on this process. Okay, it is your network W1 and W2. Then okay, we'll do one problem on this one. Okay, then we'll discuss. So எல்லா பேரும் நிறைய பேர் வந்துட்டே இருக்கீங்க இன்னும். Have you done it? We'll do a problem. Just take a problem. சரி, யாராவது வந்து வாய்ஸ் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு இல்ல வீடியோ இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்குன்னா ஜஸ்ட் லெட் மீ நோ தட். நீங்க வந்து chat boxல போடுங்க. ஓகே. Some of them are coming and some of them are leaving. So continuously இது நடக்குது. என்ன நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு என்னன்னு தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது எனக்கு. ஏதாவது இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்தா just let me know. Take the question. Sir, your video is stuck. Can't hear anything. Okay, now இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கு? இப்போ clear-ஆ இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. இப்போ clear-ஆ இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay. Take the question. Now okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Good. Take the question. Your question note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 1 mole of ideal gas. 1 mole of ideal gas. 1 mole of ideal gas undergoes a cyclic change. 1 mole of ideal gas undergoes a cyclic change ABCD. Undergoes a cyclic change ABCD where P comma Q are the coordinates. Where P comma Q are the coordinates. P comma Q are the coordinates. Coordinates are A point is 5 comma 1. A point is 5 comma 1. B point is 5 comma 3. Okay, they have given the coordinates. A point is 5 comma 1. B point is 5 comma 3. C point is 2 comma 3. And D point is 2 comma 1. I'll repeat 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 1. Okay, these are your coordinates. Okay, P is atmosphere. P is in atmosphere. நான் வந்து நேற்று ஆல்ரெடி வந்து இதோட கான்ஸ்டன்ட் கன்வர்ஷன்ஸ் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். 1 ஓகே, இப்போ கேக்குதா? ஸ்டக் ஆயிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு வீடியோ. இப்போ கிளியரா இருக்கா? I'll repeat the question again. I'll repeat the question. 1 mole of an ideal gas undergoes a cyclic change ABCD. Undergoes a cyclic change ABCD, where P, comma B are the coordinates are A 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 3, C 2 comma 3, and D 2 comma 1. Okay, these are your coordinates. Okay, P is in atmosphere. P is in atmosphere, and V is in liters. V in liters. V in liters. Okay, P is in atmosphere and V is in liters. Good. Okay, calculate work done. Calculate work done. Calculate work done. Work done during the process. During the process, AB, comma BC, comma CD and DA. AB, BC, CD and DA. During the process, AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay. Also net work done. Also net work done in the process. Also we need to find the net work done. Net work done. Okay. And they have given 1 atmosphere is equal to 1 atm is equal to 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. 1 atm is equal to 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. I'll repeat. 1 mole of ideal gas undergoes a cyclic change ABCD where P comma Q are the coordinates A 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 3, C 2 comma 3, and D 2 comma 1. P is in atmosphere and V is in liters. Calculate work done during AB, BC, CD, and DA, and as well as net work done. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. This is your question. Now, so when they have given you the coordinates, we have to draw the graph first of all. Okay, so they have given pressure and volume coordinates. Okay, x-axis on the volume and y-axis on the your pressure. Okay, so first point it is 5 comma 1. It is your A point. Okay, and it was moving along the same point. So B point is nothing but 5 comma 3. D point is 5 comma 3. And after this, so for the same line, so C point kuduthirukanga, C is 2 comma 3. C vandu 2 comma 3, same x. And D vandu it is 2 comma 1. Okay, so it is 1, it is 3, and it is 5, and it is 2. Okay, so this is your graph. Okay, so in the graph look, the process was starting from A to B. So in the point and start A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Okay, A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Okay, this is your graph, right? So in the graph look, we need to find the work functions. So first work functions on the individual problem. So have you taken this graph? Check பண்ணிக்கோங்க one by one நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Yes ma.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, so in the graph I'm erasing this. In the graph the process which we need to find A, B, B, C, C, D, and D. First we'll try to find individual. So first AB பார்க்கலாம். First AB points. So I told you work functions வந்து clockwise இருக்கும்போது it is positive. அதே work functions வந்து anti-clockwise இருக்கும்போது it is negative. So A, B till C it is your positive work function. Okay, till C it is your positive work function, and C, D to A again it is your negative work function. Okay, so now the process on the A point and the C point to travel again it was traveling from C to A. So this is your initial point and this is your final point. Again return back to the same point. This is your graph. Now, in the relation we need to find the work functions. So work function for relation another work is equal to pressure into volume. Remember it, work is equal to pressure into volume. First work function. First for the line AB. First for the line AB. So work is equal to the areas which it was covering. Okay, it is AB. So AB and Solomodu, we have to take the coordinates with respect to x-axis and as well as y-axis. Okay, so it is 5 and it is 2 and it is 3. Now, so from this relation, now the work function find out. Work is equal to pressure into volume. So first pressure. So for this line, the pressure it was mentioned, it is 5 into, okay, 5 atmosphere and சொல்றேன். நான் வந்து Pascal convert பண்றேன். It is 1.015 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay, so it is your pressure. It is your pressure. Now into volume. Remember in the volume on the liters low kuduthirukanga. So it is in liters. We need to convert into your meter cube. So it is 2 volume convert 2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so it is 5 atmosphere. I convert it into Pascal and into its volume. So volume on the 2 word. Okay, so it is 1. So the difference between these two, it is 3 minus 1. It is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 3. The volume whatever they have given, it was in liters. Okay, it was in liters. Now, so from this relation, now just multiply panna, so you'll get the work function. So this work is nothing but 1010 joules. Now, right answer. So this is your work function. I can mention this as work function W1. Okay, now either W1 and okay, because it was starting from A point to B point, it is your first W1. Second B to C one, the W2, the W3 and the W4. Okay, there are 4 work functions. It is your first one. First one. Now we'll see the second one. Second one for the process of B to C. Second one for the process of B to C. Now if you see that, it was a straight line. It was a straight line. Work function when there is a change in its volume. So in A to B, there is a change in its volume. Change in volume now B1 and B2 ku change ஆயிட்டு. Other difference நம்ம find out பண்றோம். Okay, ஆனா இங்க B to C, the work function is constant. Work is constant. Okay, that means volume வந்து constant ஆ இருக்கு. Volume constant ஆ இருக்கு. There is no expansion. Volume constant ஆ இருக்கும்போது there is no work function. Okay, so work is equal to 0 for the process of BC. Work is equal to 0 for the process of BC because volume is constant. You can say volume is constant. Okay, for the process of BC, the volume is constant. So when volume is constant, there is no work function. Okay, it is second point. Clear? Right, now we'll see the third point. So now I erase பண்றேன், faster move பண்றேன், கொஞ்சம் note பண்றேன். Third point. So again C to D. For the point of C to D. C to D and சொல்லும்போது it was returning back to the initial condition. So it was returning back to its initial condition. Initial condition and சொல்லும்போது, so I told you anti-clockwise direction. Again, I have to find the work function. Work function is pressure into volume is equal to pressure. So pressure இங்கே point was 2. So it is 2 into 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal into volume. Again, the change in its volume is 3 minus 1. It is a 2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, this is your volume. Now இது வந்து work function வந்து oppositeல இருக்கு. It is anti-clockwise இருக்குனால it is negative. So is equal to minus. So the work function will it is minus 404. Okay, so whatever the work function we are taking here, this is your work function W3. This is W3.
Second roller.
யாருமா விஷ்ணுபிரியா கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணி பேசுங்க. ஓகேமா, next one. Fourth process part. Fourth one, so it was varying from D to A. It was varying from D to A. When we are varying from D to A, volume on the constant. When the volume is constant, the work function is equal to 0. W4 is equal to 0. W4 is equal to 0. So there are 4 work functions are there. Okay, this is the individual process work function. Now we need to find the net work function. Net work function varna n work function is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. When you add all the functions, it is your network. Okay, so find the answer for this network. Minus or plus or just check it.
606 joule.
606 joules, yes ma'am. 606 joules. Done. Yes sir, got it. Okay, fine. Okay, next one, make a heading. First law of thermodynamics. Whatever we have discussed here, this is your 0th law and other thermal equilibrium condition. First law of thermodynamics. Make the heading first law of thermodynamics. Now relations kuduthurren. Okay, so and I'll explain what are the processes are there. Okay, then we'll do some problems on the relation based one. Okay, so first law of thermodynamics, the relation is, so it is Q is equal to U plus W. Q is equal to U plus W, where Q is your heat. Okay, heat supplied by the system, or you can note in one by one. Q is your heat supplied to the system. Q is your heat supplied to the system. Heat supplied to the system. U is your change in internal energy. That is del Q is equal to del U plus del W. So U is your change in internal energy. Change in internal energy, and W is work done. W is work done by the system. Work done by the system. Work done by the system. The relation is Q is equal to U plus W. Okay, in the system the work pannittirukeenga. So I can write this relation in terms of P and Q, P and V. So del Q is equal to del U plus P into del V, because the work was done for this change in its volume. Okay, so volume constant irukumbodhu the work function will be 0. This is for relation. Okay, next one, specific heat of gas. So now I'll move further. So there are relations based on, we'll do some problems. Okay, next relation, specific heat of gas. Specific heat of gas. Specific heat of gas. Specific heat of gas. So this specific, when we are discussing about the specific heat of gas, idhula vandu constant pressure irukku, constant volume irukku. I'll give the direct relation. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Okay, so this relation we call it as Mayer's formula. This relation we call it as Mayer's formula. Okay, whatever we are discussing here, we are discussing about constant pressure and constant volume. The difference between constant pressure and constant volume is R. Okay, so this R is ideal gas constant, and this R has a value. R is equal to 8.31 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. It is a constant value. It is R is equal to 8.31 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Or if you want to convert into calories, joules to calories convert panna, the same relation will be 1.98 calorie mole inverse Kelvin inverse. 1.98 calorie mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay. Okay, next relation. Next relation, இன்னொரு relation note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது first one. Second relation, நான் erase பண்ணிடுறேன். கொஞ்சம் fast move பண்றேன். We'll do some problems on this. Note பண்றேன். Okay, ஏதாவது disturbance இருக்கு, ஏதாவது issues இருந்தா disconnect பண்ணுங்க. Next relation. Okay. Heat loss or gained by the gas. Heat lost or gained by the gas. Next relation, heat lost or gained by the gas. So Q is equal to number of moles Cp del T. Cp is your constant pressure. So here you can say at constant pressure. Okay, same thing. Q is equal to N into Cv into del T. That Cv is at constant volume. Constant volume. Constant volume. Where small n is your number of moles of gas. Where small n is equal to number of moles of gas. Number of moles of gas, I can write it as masses. Mass of gas by molecular mass. Mass of gas by molecular mass. Molecular mass. Mass of gas by molecular mass. Mass of gas by molecular mass. Okay, so next one. Next heading, thermodynamic process. Next heading, thermodynamic process. Thermodynamic process. Have you taken this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thermodynamic process. So under this thermodynamic process, okay, there are important one. So only important than also there are 4 things are there. Okay, the process are isothermal process. Heading on the thermodynamic process. Under heading, just take it in the column like this. Okay, the process, there are 4 processes are there. We'll discuss from there. So types of process. In the column, types of process. Okay, and in feature. And then it is your feature. So types of process and feature. First one, isothermal. Isothermal is nothing but at constant temperature. We'll discuss at constant temperature. Isothermal process at constant temperature. Next one, isobaric process. Isobaric process. Isobaric process has constant pressure. Constant pressure. Isochoric process. Isochoric process at constant volume. Isochoric process at constant volume. And adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. And remember, adiabatic process, isothermal process relations are very important. Adiabatic process, the heat, there is no heat flow. So Q is equal to 0. Okay, there is no heat flow. No heat flow. No heat flow. Q is equal to 0. So these are your thermal process, thermodynamic process. Either on the isothermal process, adiabatic process relations will be very important. Problems will be the maximum. And Cornet engine on the number important. Okay, and there is one more thing, but adu pathi nama discuss pannalam, but adu vandu important kadaidu. So there is one more thing called QZ static process. QUASI QZ static process. QZ static process. In the process we call it a slow process. QZ static process. Okay.
Also,
QUASI QZ static process. We call it as a slow process. I'll explain one by one. We call it as a slow process. Okay, just take the tabular column, then I'll explain one by one, and we'll see some relations also in that. Done? Yes, sir. Okay. So make a heading. First heading. We'll discuss the process. First heading. QZ static process. QUASI QZ static process. QZ static process. Okay, whatever we are discussing here, we are discussing with respect to your piston, your work function, pressure, volume. Again, ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. Okay, we are going to discuss with respect to ideal gas equation itself. Now, is a static process. Okay, it is nothing but actually process it is the infinitely slow process. It is nothing but infinitely slow process. If you see now, a rich example. So what I'll do, I'm taking a piston. Okay, so in the piston, there will be having some piston. The mother there will be having some bigger. There will be having some piston. Okay, so inside, so it on the fixed diagram. So there is no gaps. So it will be fixed. So either a pressure, and as well as either a temperature, and as well as there is a volume in it. Now, if there will be having some temperature inside it. So now slow in the piston move. The slower in the piston move. It is a slow process. Slow piston move whatever the temperature here inside. Okay, so that's whatever the system we are seeing. So this is your system. Whatever the piston we are taking, this is your system. Okay, so now in the pistons now slow move பண்ணும்போது systemல இருக்க temperature வெளிய இருக்க temperature, that is surrounding temperature, equilibrium condition இருக்கும். That means same temperature condition இருக்கும். Okay, systemல இருக்க temperature and surroundingல இருக்க temperature same temperature இருக்கும். So we can say it was under equilibrium. It was under equilibrium condition. Okay, so when we are slowly moving this piston, okay, remove பண்ணும்போது there is a change in its temperature at the equilibrium condition இருக்கும் system to the surroundings. What is the process we are discussing? இது the slow process. This slow process we call it as quasi-static process. Okay, so it is your quasi-static process. Just remember this one. It's a slow process. The temperature equilibrium condition இருக்கும் from the system to the surroundings. Okay, next one, isothermal process. Next heading, isothermal process. Quasi-static process la in the relation just a process. Next one, isothermal process. Heading, isothermal process. Isothermal process. So make a point. One by one point and as well as I'll give the relations also. Isothermal process. The process in which pressure and volume of the system, the process in which pressure and volume of the system changes, the process in which pressure and volume of a system changes with constant temperature. The pressure and volume of a system changes with constant temperature. With constant temperature. I'll repeat. The process in which pressure and volume of the system changes with constant temperature. Constant temperature. So when we are discussing about the constant temperature, we know the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. When temperature is constant, so the whole process is constant. Okay, so then P is proportional to 1 by V. Okay, P is proportional to 1 by V. These are inversely proportional. This vary, but temperature it is constant. Temperature is constant. It is nothing but simply to your cyclic process. Cyclic process pressure volume change continuous. That means there is a work function here. There is a work function. Okay, on the piston example note. So there is a work function. And now we are going to discuss about the work relation. So now direct relation. Work is equal to, it was related to your pressure and volume. Work is equal to 2. Final relation 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. V2 by V1. R, there is one more relation in terms of pressure. So work is equal to 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2, because pressure and volume are inversely proportional. So we can consider it like this. So V2 by V1 and so on, P1 by P2 and so on. These are your work functions under isothermal process. Under isothermal process. In the isothermal process, constant temperature, pressure, volume change continuously. Okay, so 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1, or I can mention in terms of pressure and so on, 2.303 nRT log V1 by V2. Okay, right. Next one. Next heading, adiabatic process. Next heading, adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process, just take a point. Adiabatic process. An adiabatic process in which the pressure, volume, and temperature of the system changes. In which the pressure, volume, and temperature of the system changes. Pressure, volume, and temperature of the system changes. But there is no exchange of heat. No exchange of heat. I repeat, an adiabatic process in which the pressure, volume, and temperature of the system changes, but there is no exchange of heat. No exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding. No exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding. Now, so இங்க வந்து heat constant இருக்கு, Q constant இருக்கு, but pressure, volume, temperature மூணுமே change ஆயிருக்கு. We'll see some relations between pressure, volume, and temperature. Okay, so in the adiabatic process relation ரொம்ப important. First one, relation between pressure and volume. Relation between pressure and volume. நான் வந்து derive பண்ணலாமா, டைரக்டா ரிலேஷனை கொடுத்துறேன். So relation between pressure and volume, it is P V power gamma is equal to K. P V power gamma is equal to K. K is nothing but your constant. K is constant. And gamma on the specific heat ratio. Gamma is your specific heat ratio. It is Cp by Cv. Specific heat ratio, gamma is equal to Cp by Cv, where constant pressure and constant volume. K is your constant. Okay, K constant. P V power gamma is constant. It is a relation for pressure and volume. Relation for pressure and volume. Okay, next one. Adiabatic relation between pressure and temperature. Pressure and temperature. Relation between pressure and temperature. Pressure and temperature. Okay, so relation is P power 1 minus gamma. P power 1 minus gamma. T power gamma is constant. P power 1 minus gamma. T power gamma is constant. T power 1 minus gamma. T power gamma is constant. Okay, third one, relation between volume and temperature. Relation between volume and temperature. So T V power gamma minus 1, T V power gamma minus 1 is constant. Okay, T V power gamma minus 1 is constant, where gamma is a specific heat ratio, and the relation to Cp by Cv, constant pressure by constant volume. Okay, so these are your relations between pressure, volume, pressure, temperature, and volume temperature. Okay, right. So now we'll see the work function relation. Work, that means everything it was doing some work, and the work function then we discuss pandrom. And remember, whatever the process we are discussing, these are your first law. Okay, first law based panida in the process. Now work function under adiabatic work function W is equal to okay 1 by gamma minus 1 into T1 V1 minus T2 V2. 1 by gamma minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2. P1 V1 minus P2 V2. Or I'll change into temperature. Or I can write it as work done as adiabatic is equal to N capital R by gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2. So it was, first one was under pressure and volume, second one was here under temperature. and the temperature. Okay. Okay, next one. Next one. Next process, isochoric process. Next process is isochoric process. Isochoric process. Okay, taken the relation. Next one, isochoric process. Isochoric process, just take the point. In isochoric process, isochoric process, the volume of the system remains constant. The volume of the system remains constant. Volume of the system remains constant. So volume on the constant irina. So I told you already, volume constant irina, work function is equal to 0. When work function is equal to 0, first line of the Q is equal to U plus W. When work is equal to 0 because of the constant volume, so Q is equal to U. That is, change in Q is equal to change in its internal energy. Both are same. Okay. So change in Q is change in internal energy. So because volume is constant. And when we are discussing about the constant volume, the relation Q is equal to N into CV into del T. Q is equal to N into CV into del T. Where CV is constant volume, T is temperature change, N is number of moles. Okay. Okay, next one. Next process. Next process, isobaric process. Isobaric process. Not particular. Next one, isobaric process. Isobaric process. Isobaric process, the process in which at constant pressure, the process in which at constant pressure, remember constant pressure in the low, there will be a change in its volume. So the relation for work function is W is equal to NR into T2 minus T1. NR into T2 minus T1. R,
Sir?
when we are discussing about the work function, P into V2 minus, yes, ma'am, tell me.
Definition avladana, sir.
At constant pressure, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
When we are discussing about the at constant pressure, it is nothing but your isobaric process.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just take the work function. W is equal to P into V2 minus V1. R, it is NR into T2 minus T1 from the ideal gas equation itself. Okay, we'll do a problem on this. Okay, then we'll see. Okay, just take a problem. Okay, just take a problem. First one, the compression ratio of certain diesel engine, compression ratio is nothing but the ratio between the volumes V1 by V2. Compression ratio of certain diesel engine is 15. The compression ratio of certain diesel engine is 1.5. Full stop. This means that air in the cylinder is compressed. This means that air in the cylinder is compressed. Compressed to 1 by 15 of its initial volume. I'll repeat. The compression ratio of a certain diesel engine is 15. This means that air in the cylinder is compressed to 1 by 15 of its initial volume. 1 by 15 of its initial volume. Okay, so that is they have given V2 is equal to 1 by 15 of its initial volume V1. This is your relation they are telling you. Good stuff. If the initial pressure is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. If the initial pressure is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal and the initial temperature is 300 Kelvin. The initial temperature is 300 Kelvin. Find the final pressure. Find the final pressure. Final pressure P2. Assume it is P1 and it is T1. Find the final pressure and temperature. Find the final pressure and temperature after compression. After compression. Full stop. Full stop. Gamma is 1.4. Gamma is 1.4. Gamma is 1.4. And remember, so when they have given the gamma, it is nothing but your adiabatic process. So, simple on the either the adiabatic process, either the isothermal process, and certain questions to put. Sometimes either on the heat transfer. Remember, there is no heat transfer also. Okay, they have given the pressure and temperature and as well as the volume. Pressure irukku, volume irukku, temperature irukku. It was continuously changing. Edume constant kadiyadu. Okay, so it is your adiabatic process. Now we have to find the pressure P2 and temperature T2. Okay. Now, so one by one pakkalam. So first data pakkalam. So they have given the volume relation V2 is equal to 1 by 15 V1, pressure P1 theriyum, T1 theriyum. We need to find T2 and V2. So one by one we'll see. So first for the adiabatic process, the relation for the pressure and volume. The relation for pressure and volume. So relation another it is P1 V1 power gamma is equal to P2 V2 power gamma. So remember this is the first relation which we need to find the pressure. Remember inga the V power gamma irukku. So it is constant in children. P1 V1 power gamma is constant. So I can equate to P2 V2 power gamma because both are constant itself. Okay. From this relation I need to find P2. I need to find P2. Can you able to find, you know the value of P1, you know the value of V1 by V2. So find the relation for P2. Try pananga. ஏதாவது பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Okay, so to make it comfortable, இங்க வந்து power terms இருக்கு. Obviously remember power terms இருக்கு. Sometimes questionsல வந்து they will give the log values. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு log sheets கிடையாது and simple solve பண்ற மாதிரி தான் problems கொடுப்பாங்க. Okay, so presently I'll give the value. So 15 power 1.4. நீங்க இது எங்க யூஸ் பண்றீங்க? You just remember that. So நீங்க வந்து think பண்ணுங்க. So the value I'm just giving it 15 power 14 1.4 is 15 power 1.4. The value is, I'll give the value power 1.4. Okay, it is 44. It is 44.312. 44.312. 15 power 1.4. The value is 44.312. And இன்னொரு value கொடுக்கிறேன் 15 power 0.4 is 2.95. Okay, so what is the value of P2? So we can take down. So inge vandu P2 venumna V1, okay, V1 by V2 whole power gamma. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P1 into V1 by V2 whole power gamma. Okay, now so P1 value and Ethereum. P1 is nothing but 1.01 into 10 power 5. V1 by V2 is nothing but 15. So it is 1.015 into 10 power, okay, 10 power 5 into is 15 power 1.4. Find P2 from this. 44.75. 44.75 into 10 power 5. Yes, ma, correct. Priyanka, correct. So you can mention the units there itself. It is Pascal. So the answer is 44. Okay. Sometimes you will get the decimal points also. You can take the round it off, or you can directly keep there. So 44.3 into 10 power 5 Pascal. So it is your value for P2. This is your value for P2. Now we need to find the temperature T2. And they are already given in Kelvin itself. Kelvin for the temperature T1. So no need to change. For the formula for temperature and volume, so the formula is T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. So from this relation, we are going to find the temperature T2, right? Yes, my answer correct only, Anand. So try to find the temperature T2 from this relation. Always remember, உங்களுக்கு வந்து கால்சி கிடையாது and log sheets கிடையாதுனால ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்து டிஃபிகல்ட்டா கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க தெர்மோடைனமிக்ஸ்ல. அது அடியாபேட்டிக் ப்ராசஸ்ல வரும்போது அதுல வந்து பவர் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 1.5 சம்திங் வரும். 1.5 வரும்போது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். அது வந்து இந்த மாதிரி நான் வேல்யூஸ் கொடுக்க தேவையில்லை, நீங்களே சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். எஸ் சார், காட் இட். ஓகே, ஸோ ட்ரை டு ஃபைண்ட் த டெம்பரேச்சர் T2. டெம்பரேச்சர் T2 ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. நான் ஆல்ரெடி நான் வந்து பவர் டர்ம்ஸ் நான் கொடுத்துட்டேன். 15 பவர் 0.4 இஸ் நத்திங் பட் 2.95. 0.4 is nothing but 2.95. Now try to find 785 Kelvin. No, ma, Raja. 885 Kelvin. Yes, ma. So the answer is 885. 885 or 886. Raj, go check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 785 கிடையாது. It is 885 Kelvin. Okay, got the answer. 885 Kelvin. Olivia Princey, enachima? Okay, got it, sir. Okay, others got the answer. So answer on the 885 Kelvin. Just from this relation, T2 is equal to T1 power V1 by V2 power gamma minus 1. So gamma value 1.4. 1.4 minus 1 is nothing but 0.4. So T1 V1 by V2 is nothing but 15 power 0.4. So it is 300 into 2.95. We'll get the answer. Got the answer, sir. Okay. 2.95. Yes, ma, correct. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's see the next question. Not பண்ணிட்டீங்களா others? Please take it down. இங்க ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நான் திரும்ப சொல்றேன். இப்போதான் நீங்க ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க பண்றது. கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருக்கும். We have time. ஆனா நம்ம வந்து சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே. And remember, நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ வந்து டெரிவேஷன்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கிடையாது. ஒரு மெத்தட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் நம்மளுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நீங்க டெரிவேஷன்ல கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஓகே, எப்படி ரிலேஷன் வருது, என்ன ரிலேஷன் இருக்கு, அது மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Sir, okay, next question. Take the next question. Next question. If at 50 degrees Celsius, if at 50 degrees Celsius and 75 centimeter of mercury. I'll write Hg. Okay, if at 50 degrees Celsius and 75 centimeter of Hg, okay, pressure, Hg, pressure, mercury pressure, okay. So a different mass of gas is compressed. A different mass of gas is compressed. I'll repeat again. If at 50 degrees Celsius, okay, and 75 centimeter of Hg pressure, a different mass of gas is compressed. The first one, slowly. The first question, slowly. Second one, suddenly. Second question, suddenly, comma. Suddenly, comma. Then, what will be the final pressure and temperature? What will be the final pressure and temperature? Final pressure and temperature of the gas. In each case, if the final volume is 1/4 of the initial volume. The final volume is 1/4 of the initial volume. Okay, 1/4 of the initial volume. I'll repeat the question. If 50 degrees Celsius and 75 centimeter of mercury pressure, a definite mass of gas is compressed. First one slowly, second one suddenly. Then what will be the final pressure and temperature of the gas? In each case, if the final volume is 1/4 of the initial volume, gamma is equal to 1.5. Gamma is equal to 1.5. Okay, so these are your values. Now we'll see one by one. Gamma value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இது 1.5. Now, so இங்கே நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது இதுல வந்து வால்யூம் that means நம்ம first case பார்க்கும்போது first case வந்து it was suddenly changing and suddenly increasing, that is slowly process இருக்கு and sudden process இருக்கு. But you see that first case வந்து assuming if the temperature is constant, suppose temperature constant சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணும்போது we need to find the pressure. We have to discuss with respect to your pressure. So for that, what I will do, I'll assume the temperature is constant. When temperature is constant, PV is equal to constant. It is your isothermal process. Okay. So second case, we need to find the volume. Okay. So we need to find the temperature. So for this case, now on the adiabatic process use பண்றேன். So first one வந்து நான் pressure use பண்றேன், pressure find out பண்றேன். Second case நான் temperature use பண்றேன். Okay. அது adiabatic process. For this relation, formula என்னது? P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So from this relation, try to find pressure P2. Pressure P2 find out பண்ணுங்க. Okay, at constant temperature, whatever the relations we are doing, at constant temperature வந்து 50 degrees Celsius. So எனக்கு வந்து P1 தெரியும், V1 தெரியும். அவங்க ஆல்ரெடி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க relation for the volume. V2 is equal to 1/4 times V1. V2 is equal to 1/4 times V1. And pressure கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, it was your 75 centimeter of mercury. You can keep there itself. So நீங்க வந்து change பண்ண வேண்டாம். Okay, so you can keep P1 is equal to 75 cm of mercury. Okay, so try to find the pressure P2 and other same unit la da irukum, 75, that is centimeter of Hg la da irukum when you are finding the pressure. Find it. And whatever we are discussing here, this is your constant temperature, this is your isothermal process. P2 is 300, yes ma'am. P2 is 300. So just the relation of P1 into V1 by V2 substitute பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so P1 is 75 into V1 by V2. So it is nothing but 1/4 V1. So V1 cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா it will be multiplied, it is 4. So it is nothing but 75 into 4, you will get 300 centimeter of Hg. This is your pressure under isothermal process. You can note it down under isothermal process. Next one for adiabatic process. Note particular. Okay, just take it down. Second pressure, second case for adiabatic process. Second case for adiabatic process. Adiabatic process lo inga vandu temperature constant irukadhu, temperature vary ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. So temperature vary ஆயிட்டு and we know the volume and we have to find the pressure. So relation another V1 power gamma is equal to V2 power gamma. V1 power gamma is equal to V2 power gamma. Okay, so from this relation we are going to find P2. Oh no, same relation. So instead of V1 V2 power terms, keep it the gamma. Okay. Now, இதுல வந்து I won't give any values for gamma power now. So அது எப்படி வந்து solve பண்றது மட்டும் நான் சொல்றேன். Okay. So உங்களுக்கு almost gamma values வந்து 1.5 கொடுக்குவாங்க. இல்லனா sir what is the value gamma value is 1.5 now. So gamma value 1.5 கொடுப்பாங்க. இல்லனா gamma value வந்து 3/2 ன்னு சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. So it will be easy for you to solve. இந்த மாதிரி terms இருக்கும். So now gamma value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. I need to find the pressure. So P2 is equal to those who know to solve the power terms நீங்க பண்ணலாம். So others just concentrate. P2 is equal to E1 into V1 by V2 power gamma. So gamma value the 1.5 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Gamma value the 1.5 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Now from this relation, okay. So எனக்கு P1 தெரியும். V1 by V2 is nothing but 4. I'll directly take V1 by V2 is nothing but 4. So 4 power 1.5. Remember power terms இருக்குங்க. Okay, so what I'll do, நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா இந்த power terms வந்து நான் split பண்ணிடுறேன். So நம்ம already வந்து earlier classesல எல்லாம் dimensions, if you remember the dimensionsல நம்ம power terms எல்லாம் add பண்றோம். ஏன்னா basis எல்லாம் சேமா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Okay, so power P2 is 600. Yes, 600. Yes. So what I'll do, I'll add this one 1 plus 0.5. So P1 into 4 power 1 into 4 power 0.5. So 4 power 0.5 is nothing but 1/2. 1/2 is nothing but root 4. So from this, you can able to find the pressure. So pressure P2 is equal to P1 into 4 power 1 plus 0.5. Okay. So in now on the split punter 1 plus 0.5. So 1, 4 power 1 and 0.5 is nothing but root 4. So the answer is 600. Pressure is 600. 600 cm of Hg. Okay. Now, for the second case, try to find the temperature. Second case, try to find the temperature. Temperature. The relation is T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. So T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. So from this, try to find the temperature T2. Answer is 600 no pressure, correct? No? Okay. So second one, try to find the temperature T2.
(646 Kelvin).
646 Kelvin. Yes, ma'am, correct. So convert into Celsius because they have given the questions in terms of Celsius itself. In terms of Celsius.
(373°C).
373°C. Yes, correct. 646 Kelvin. Yes. 373. Yes, ma'am, correct. Okay, good. Got the answer. Okay. Others? Okay. Got it, sir. Okay, ma'am. Okay, next question. Next question. நீங்க இதை try பண்ணுங்க. So you know the relations on how to solve the power terms தெரியும். And remember questions almost easy இருக்க power terms based பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும் questions. So difficult இருக்காது. Okay, don't use the calculators now. So solve this one. Okay, this question: a tire pumped to a pressure of 3.375 atmosphere. A tire pumped to a pressure of 3.375 atmosphere and at 27 degrees Celsius. At 27 degrees Celsius, suddenly burst. A tire pumped to a pressure of 3.375 atmosphere and 27 degrees Celsius suddenly burst. Calculate the temperature of escaping air. Calculate the temperature of escaping air. Gamma is equal to 1.5. Gamma is equal to 1.5. I'll repeat. A tire pumped to a pressure of 3.375 atmosphere and at 27 degrees Celsius suddenly burst. Calculate the temperature of escaping air. Okay, convert this and remember, so pressure. So inge on the temperature T2 the find out pannom. So it is T1, it is P1. So remember, we need to find the temperature T2. So when it was suddenly burst, remember question la vandu when it is suddenly burst, air was coming out of it. Appo vandu air oda pressure enna irukona atmospheric pressure da irukum. So P2 is equal to 1 atmosphere. So adu vandu enna vandu air vandu it was coming out of it. So the air was expanding. So pressure on the atmospheric pressure da irukum. That is P2. T1 on the 3.375, P2 on the 1. So T1 27, T2 we need to find. So you know the relations. From these relations, try to find the temperature. Or else I'll give the relation. So the relation for pressure and temperature. Pressure and temperature is P1 gamma power 1 by T1 power gamma is equal to P2 gamma power minus 1 by T2 power gamma. P1 gamma power minus 1 by T1 power gamma, P2 gamma power minus 1 by T2 power gamma. This is your relation. We need to find the temperature T2 from it. The value of gamma 1.5 ma. Gamma 1.5. Okay, anyone?
Sir, 15 degrees Celsius.
15 degrees Celsius. Illama. Minus 73 degrees Celsius. So convert this one into Kelvin. Adikaprama you can convert into degrees Celsius. Okay. So try to convert into Kelvin, then you can able to solve it. So answer on the it is 200 Kelvin. Answer on the 200 Kelvin. When you convert this into degrees Celsius, it is minus 73 degrees Celsius. It is minus 73 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. Okay. Okay, take the value. Ninge practice pannunga. The answer is 200 Kelvin and the degree Celsius is minus 73 degrees Celsius. Okay, next question paakalam. Done. Let's see the next one. Next question. Answers மட்டும் note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. You can solve it later. Okay. சீக்கிரமா important topic இது problems நம்ம பண்ணலாம். No sir. Done sir. என்ன செல்வகுமார் என்னாச்சு? No sir. Okay, next question. Next question. Just check the question. Calculate the fall in temperature of helium. So values மட்டும் note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. You can do it later. Next question. Calculate the fall in temperature of helium. Calculate the fall in temperature of helium. Actually at 15 degrees Celsius. Helium actually at 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. With comma. When it is suddenly expanded to 8 times. It is suddenly expanded to 8 times. Its volume suddenly expanded to 8 times its volume. Okay. So gamma is equal to 5/3. Gamma is equal to 5/3. I'll repeat the question. Calculate the fall in temperature of helium actually at 15 degrees Celsius, comma, when it is suddenly expanded to 8 times its volume, given gamma is equal to 5/3. Okay. So here we need to find the fall in temperature. Fall in temperature is the change in temperature T2 minus T1. We need to find this change in temperature T2 minus T1. So T1 they have given at 15 degrees Celsius. So convert into Kelvin. And after this, so they have given gamma value and the 5/3 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, and volume on the it was 8 times கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Volume 8 times now the change in volume. So that is V2 is equal to 8 times of V1. V2 is equal to 8 times of V1. Okay, so now from this relation try to find the change in temperature. First find the T2 find பண்ணுங்க, then you can able to find the difference. Okay, I'll give the answer. T1 on the 72 Kelvin. Sorry, T2 on the 72 Kelvin. T2 on the 72 Kelvin. And the difference on the 216 Kelvin. Difference on the 216 Kelvin. Please check it. கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா பண்ணணும், ஈஸி தான் இது. Anyone?
72, sir.
Yes, ma. Temperature T2 is 72 Kelvin. So try to find the difference. Others, please take the values, answers. Okay. நீங்க வந்து அப்புறமா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க, வரலனா நீங்க வந்து மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க. I will try to find the answers. 216 is correct. Got it, sir. Okay. Please take the answers. T2 on the 72 Kelvin no, other difference on the 216 Kelvin. Slower try பண்ணுங்க power terms. Okay, sometimes சில பேர் வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணுவாங்க, but it will take more time for them. So நீங்க answers note பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க அப்புறமா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. No issues. Okay, done. Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So next heading. So கொஞ்சம் நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணலாம். So இதுல வந்து மூணு கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. And remember இந்த adiabatic process isothermal process பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் क्वेश्चंस வரும். மைனஸ் இல்லடா 2 and 6 பிளஸ் தான் வரும். ராஜ் 2 and 6 plus the verb. Okay, so next heading. Got it, sir. Okay, fine. Next heading, heat engine. Heat engine. Heat engine. Okay, heat engine memorize பண்றது refrigerator memorize பண்றது ஒரு சின்ன ட்ரிக் இருக்கு. So அதோட ரெண்டு காம்பினேஷன் தான் கார்னட் தியரம்னு சொல்லிட்டு வரும். கார்னட் engine வேற, கார்னட் தியரம் வேற. Okay, ரெண்டு different relations இருக்கு. Okay, so first one, make a heading, heat engine. அதோட efficiency relation, அதோட output relation ரொம்ப important. சின்ன relation, சின்ன டாபிக் தான் இது, important. Okay, heat engine. So நான் அந்த simple example நான் சொல்றேன். Remember that. அது பேஸ் பண்ணி we'll discuss it. I'll just draw the block diagram. கொஞ்சம் memorize பண்ணிக்கோங்க. And the time already 10 minutes இருக்கு. Okay. So you may have know about the thermal power plants. தெரியுமா? Thermal power plants, wind energy, solar. தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன், நீங்க எப்போது விசிட் பண்ணிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, so we'll remember the thermal power plant. Thermal power plant எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, so here they'll be having some just generate தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு, எனர்ஜி வந்து ஜெனரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த ஜெனரேஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, so I assume there is a turbine. Okay, இந்த டர்பைன் ஒன்று இருக்கும். so they'll be having some turbine blades, so fan blades, fan blades மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Okay, so என்ன ஆகும்னா, it will convert the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Okay, so turbine என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்குன்னா, when it is rotating, mechanical energy வந்து electrical energy convert ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அது just generated, நம்மளுக்கு இது தேவையில்லை. So whatever we are discussing here, heat engine. Heading வந்து heat engine. Heat engine. நான் வந்து just அந்த thermal power plantல turbine generator base பண்ணி தான் நான் discuss பண்றேன். Now, for example, இது எப்படி work ஆகும்னா thermal power plants, so they will heat the water. The water heat பண்றது, what will happen, so heat பண்ணிட்டு it will create some pressure. So அந்த water heat பண்ணிட்டு அந்த smallest tubes வந்து they will pass it. So அந்த steam வந்து pass ஆகும். அந்த steam pass ஆகுற stream வந்து high pressured stream ஆயிருக்கும். High pressured stream ஆயிருக்கும். அந்த steam என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்குன்னா, they will allow the steam on these turbines. They will allow the steam on these turbines. Turbines மேல steam allow பண்ணும்போது what will happen, it will try to rotate. அந்த rotation ஆல தான் mechanical energy electrical energy convert ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. இது வேற. Now, on the steam, I'll take it as a source. Whatever the steam it was generating, I'll take it as a source. Okay, so on the source, so it was heated up. Okay, ரொம்ப heat இருக்கிறதுனால I'll take it as a source, and it was at the temperature T1. Remember, இது நான் வந்து source ன்னு சொல்றேன். Now, so in the source ல வந்து அந்த steam energy it was fallen on the turbine. Fallen ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் what will happen, it will try to rotate. And the rotation ஆகுறது என்ன ஆகும்னா, that means it was doing some work. It was doing some work by this system. Okay, so in the system நாலதான் it was doing some work. System நாலதான் it was doing some work. இந்த work தான் electricity convert ஆயிடும். Now, so when it was fallen on this turbine, it was rotating, doing some work, but balance steam இருக்கும்ல, when it is fallen, வெளிய வர steam வந்து what will happen, it will go to the sink. Okay, it will go to the sink. Okay, so on the fallen steam என்ன ஆகும், அந்த pressure வந்து decrease ஆயிடும். Okay, decrease ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறமா the temperature will be changing. It is source T1. Okay, it was doing some work from the system, and balanced temperature it was coming out of it. It is T2. So that means in the simpler block diagram draw பண்ணனும்னா, so there is a source. The temperature is T1. We call it as a source. Source வந்து sink க்கு the temperature was fallen T2. In middle தான் it was doing some work. It was doing some work. So in heat that transfer ஆகுறதுனால I'll take it as Q1 and I'll take it as Q2. And middle it was doing some work. So work done வந்து இதோட difference வருது. So work done is equal to, we can say in the Q1 நாலதான் there is two different parts. So ரெண்டு parts split ஆயிருக்கு. Work போயிட்டு இருக்கு, and balance Q2 வந்து it was falling down. So I can say Q1 is equal to W plus Q2, or work done is equal to Q1 minus Q2. W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. Okay, remember this relation. And if you want to find the efficiency, so in the engine oda efficiency na find out pannuna, relation the efficiency eta is equal to, the relation is work done by heat observed. work done by heat absorbed. Heat absorbed, na, it is nothing but Q1. So W by Q1. So eta is equal to W minus Q1 minus Q2 by Q1, or I can write it as 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Okay, so it is your efficiency of this engine and it is your work function. W. Okay, so it is your heat engine. So that means it was giving some work to the other things. So that means the system under the work. Okay, when you are discussing about the refrigerator, it was taking the work. Okay, that means external source and the work. That is your second law. It is your first law. Okay, so it is nothing but your internal energy. Q is equal to U plus W, the same thing. Okay, it is your first law. So when we are discussing about the refrigerator, the second law, other relation. Just take the relations in a box about it was important. Okay, we'll do one problem on this. A small problem. Okay. Refrigerator. Time at China. Okay, just take the question. Yeah. What is the efficiency of? What is the efficiency of? Efficiency of heat engine. What is the efficiency of heat engine? Heat engine. Heat engine working between steam point and ice point. Working between steam point and ice point. Steam point and ice point. Okay, we need to find the efficiency working between steam point and ice point. So steam point is nothing but your source. The temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, ice point is your 0 degrees Celsius. So you need to convert it to Kelvin and you need to find the efficiency here. Try to find the efficiency. So steam point is 100 degrees Celsius and ice point is your 0 degrees Celsius. We need to find the efficiency from it. Efficiency formula eta is equal to 1 by Q2 by Q1, or when you are comparing with respect to your temperature, we can write it as eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. 1 minus T2 by T1. When we are discussing with respect to temperature. Yes, ma'am? What's the answer?
One Kelvin, sir.
இல்லம்மா ratio தான் நான் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்கேன். efficiency find out பண்ற ரிலேஷன் வந்து eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. efficiency அந்த மோட்டார் வந்து எந்த அளவுக்கு எஃபெக்டிவா ரொட்டேட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, அந்த இன்ஜின் எந்த அளவுக்கு எஃபிஷியன்ட்டா ரொட்டேட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. So the relation is 1 minus T2 now I'm just
0.27 sir.
Yes ma, correct. So I'm just converting it to Kelvin. So it is 1 minus T2, it is 273 by 370. Okay, 1 minus 273 by 373. The answer is 0.268 or 26.8%. 26.8%. Correct, ma, correct. Just convert into percentage. Just take it into percentage. Okay. Okay, next question. Next question. இது நீங்க homework note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next question. Yes, sir, got it. Okay. Next question. Homework. In a heat engine, comma. Homework question. Comma. The temperature of the source and the sinks. The temperature of the source and the sink are 500 Kelvin and 375 Kelvin. 500 Kelvin and 375 Kelvin. Good stop. If the engine consumes 25 into 10 power 5 joules per cycle. If the heat engine consumes 25 into 10 power 5 joules per cycle. find efficiency of the engine. Find efficiency of the engine. Second one, work done per cycle. Second one, work done per cycle. Third one, heat rejected to the sink. Heat rejected to the sink per cycle. Heat rejected to the sink per cycle. It is Q2. So I'll repeat the question. In a heat engine, the temperature of source and the sink are 500 Kelvin and 375 Kelvin. If the engine consumes 25 into 10 power 5 joules per cycle, find the efficiency of the engine, work done per cycle, and heat rejected to the sink. I'll give the relations. Okay. So eta relation into 1 minus T2 by T1. First one. So you can able to find the efficiency. Okay. Second one, work function. So the efficiency theorem, Q1 theorem. Okay, so what are the relation they have given? Joules per second. It is nothing but your Q. Okay, it is nothing but your Q1. So work function. So W is equal to eta Q1. It is a second relation to find the work function. Third one, as you know, Q2 is equal to Q1 minus W. Q2 is equal to Q1 minus W. So the three relations number, you need to find the answers. I'll give the answers. So first one, 25%. Take the answers also, 25%. Second one, 6.25 into 10 power 5. And third one, 18.75 10 power 5. Okay, so the answers are 25%, 6.25 into 10 power 5. Third one is 85. Please repeat the question, sir. Okay, now just take the question. Check it. In a heat engine, the temperature of the source and the sink are 500 Kelvin and 375 Kelvin. If the engine consumes 25 into 10 power 5 joules per cycle, find the efficiency of the engine, work done per cycle, the heat rejected to the sink per cycle. Okay, right? Okay, ma. So, yaar Kamlesh ready hai kalamburadukku. Okay. Okay, ma. So we'll see tomorrow then. Tomorrow we'll discuss it. Bye. Ma'am, just
Thank
take
you,
break.
sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, thanks. Ma'am, just take 5 minutes break, then we'll see.